doesn't add up. An elevator ride is logged as routine. The building records show a short journey. The floor count is minimal. The timestamp shows several minutes. Witness accounts mention waiting. The doors remain closed longer than expected. No alarms are noted in the system. No maintenance issue is recorded. Security footage shows no interruption. The elevator does not stop between floors. Arrival is logged as normal. The exit time conflicts with expectations. Internal clocks appear unchanged. External clocks show a longer gap. No official explanation is attached. Later reviews note the mismatch. The record remains uncorrected. Which explanation fits?